welcome back to Creative Art College. I am going to start the chapter omission, second part for class 9 and 10 CBSE. Students, in first part of omission, you studied such types of examples, and I am going to start next more examples. So the main thing, it is given in your question paper. First of all, it is given, read the following passage, and students, this is the passage. Okay, read the following passage. There is word missing. There is a word missing in each line. As I explained you in first part, one word is missing in each line, against which a blank is given. Against of this line a blank is given. Write the missing word as it is given. Missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after. There are both words given, before word and after word, and there are 5 sentences given in this para. So A, B, C, D and E also mentioned here. First of all, you have to write what is missing word in each line. What is missing in each line. So first of all, read the passage. A boy going in a river and he shouted help. A man who passing jumped into the river, saved his life. As the man was leaving, the boy asked him why he had risked his own life. So, first of all, you see in this line what is missing. What the word is missing in this line. So, a boy drawing in a river. So, students, a boy, I think here missing word is was. A boy was drawing in a river. So the missing word was, the before word boy, and after word drawing. In second line, and he shouted help. I think it is a shouted for help. And he shouted for help. So in this line, the missing word is for, and before word shouted, after word help. So right here, before word shouted, and afterward help. And in third line, a man who passing jumped. I think the man who was passing. Here, missing word is was. The man who was passing. So right here, was, before word who, and afterward passing. The man passing. Okay. In third line, into the river, saved his life. So I think into the river and is missing word. So right here and missing word, river before word and shaped afterward. So write here river and afterwards river and as man was leaving the boy asked him, why did I risk his own life? So as the man, so the is missing word. Okay. Last sentence. The is missing word, as before word and man after word. So as before word and man after word. So students, I told you it is a 4 marks. In board examinations, you have to fill only these gaps. Before, missing word and after word, like this. Then first of all you read what is the meaning of it. Read the passage, following passage. There is a word missing word in each line. There is a word missing in each line. Means in each line a word is missing, and you have to write the missing word under a missing word portion. After that, what is before the missing word and what is after the missing word, and in each line you have to write as it is. Missing word, before word, after word. Missing word, before word and after word. Okay? So, this example is complete. In second example, it is also given one paragraph and the following passage. Read the following passage. So first of all, read the following passage. When I for board examination, a physical endurance test compulsory, they need to run as they timed me. The examiner was not and said, I would have run again. So this is paragraph. This is passage, and there are 5 sentences in this passage, and each sentence there is a word missing in each sentence. In each sentence a word is missing, and against which a blank is given. Against of each sentence this is blank and it is given. Write the missing word along the word. First of all, you write the missing word. After that, along the word that comes before, you write before word and that comes after the word, and you have write after word. Okay, students. So first of all, read in this sentence. When I for board examinations, I think when I, the blank is appeared. When I appeared, so the missing word is appeared, and before word I, after word for. In second line, a physical endurance test compulsory. Then test was compulsory. So the missing word was the before word test and after word compulsory. And third sentence, they need to run as they time me. So here they asked me. So the missing word is before a missing word. After missing word, me. So write here me. And in next sentence, the examiner was not and said. Then I think the missing word can be the examiner was not satisfied. The missing word is I think satisfied. The examiner was not satisfied, so the missing word is satisfied. And before not, the word of missing word before not and after and. After and. So the examiner was not satisfied and said, I would have run again. I think I would have two. Missing word is two. Missing word is two. And have before word and run after word. So right here have before word and run after word. So this is why you have to fill only the blank. And how to fill each word missing in each line. A word is missing in each line. So you have to find out that missing word and write in place of that word. After that you have to write what the word is before of the missing word and what is after the missing word. So you write before missing word and after missing word. And in first sentence the missing word is appeared and the before word I and after word missing. So write here the before word I and afterward okay students, understood? Complete? This is why this second part of the chapter omission has been completed. Thank you.